Happily ever after is a popular phrase often used to describe the conclusion of a fairy tale or story, in which the character's struggles and challenges lead to a state of lasting happiness and fulfillment. It encapsulates the idea of a perfect and idyllic life enjoyed by the protagonists after they overcome adversity and obstacles. The phrase is associated with the notion of a fairy tale ending where everything falls into place harmoniously. The concept of happily ever after is deeply rooted in literature and storytelling traditions, particularly fairy tales. These tales often conclude with the main characters achieving their goals, finding love, or realizing their dreams, leading to a state of contentment that is expected to endure indefinitely. The phrase represents a universal aspiration for a life free from hardships, conflicts, and suffering. It taps into the desire for a sense of closure and resolution in narratives, reflecting a fundamental human yearning for a life filled with joy, love, and happiness. It serves as a form of wish fulfillment and escapism, allowing readers and audiences to temporarily immerse themselves in a world where challenges are overcome and happiness prevails. While happily ever after is commonly associated with fictional narratives, it has also become a cultural reference in discussions about real-life relationships and experiences. It's often used humorously or ironically to highlight the unrealistic expectations that some people might have about love and life. In reality, life is complex and dynamic, with its own share of ups and downs. The phrase can also evoke a sense of nostalgia and comfort, as it recalls the innocence of childhood stories and the simplicity of their conclusions. In this way, happily ever after is a timeless phrase that speaks to the human desire for closure, resolution, and the pursuit of happiness. In modern times, the phrase has taken on various interpretations, often acknowledging that life is a journey with its challenges, but that moments of happiness and fulfillment can indeed be attained. It's a reminder that, while life might not always resemble a fairy tale, there are moments of joy and contentment to be cherished. In conclusion, happily ever after is a phrase that signifies the idyllic and satisfying conclusion of a story, particularly in fairy tales, where characters overcome obstacles to find enduring happiness. It captures the universal human longing for a life free from struggles and filled with joy. While it may not reflect the complexities of real life, the phrase remains a beloved and enduring symbol of hope and the pursuit of happiness.